Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add a domain to your Vercel from Hostinger. So first thing that you are going to do here is to log into your Hostinger account and then log into your Vercel account. Okay, so after that, right here, just open your Hostinger account and go to your domains. That's right, and then you'd be able to see here now your domain name. So I'm just going to copy this one. That's right. And then go here to your Vercel account. And then go to the domains. After that, tap on the add domain option. Okay, and then you're just going to paste here the name of our domain and then tap on the save option. Okay, so once you are done, you'd be able to see here now your domain. So as you can see, it is very easy because we already changed our name server. So to change your name server is you just have to open your domain provider. So for this one, since my domain provider for my Hostinger account is the Squarespace, I'm just going to log in just to show you how you can change the name server or for you to understand what I mean with the name servers. So I'm just go to my account dashboard and then go to my domains and then tap on my domain. Okay, and then here under the DNS, so you have your domain name servers right here. So of course you have to update your name servers. Okay, so after that, you just have to change your name server. Okay, so as you can see right here, proxy has been detected. So we have to change this one. So you just have to follow the step, and then all you have to do is to change the name server, and then after that, you'll be successfully connected your Hostinger domain to your Vercel account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.